once again, my name is Dylan McKinner and I will teach you how to create, publish a website using the Shopify.io website builder. So first go to site, go to site, website and click new site. So you need to go inside, need to go in new website. You need to create new website. So choose a template. We need to after clicking that we need to choose template. So after you select the template from scratch, use the drag and pop editors to select image from the buttons. Choose choose template. Wait for a few minutes to load this template. Uh, this is the website you have been created, so you can edit this on edit the text, put the header, normal, the color, you can edit it here. So so if you are satisfied with your design, so click publish to make the website live on domain or Shopify subdomain.